A time of change, a time for bold decisions. He was the one who challenged the entire world.
We cannot wait. We are no longer satisfied with the old world. We will build a new one.
He became a symbol of the fight for justice. But in this world, there is no truth without sacrifice.
We will not be stopped. The world will never be the same. Revolutions are not won by the weak. Only strength and faith in the cause lead to victory.
What lies behind the resolve of this man? What drives a revolution when it begins to devour its own children?